shopping never miss a deal. And trust me, chef's kiss. Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm about to take you guys with me to Target because we're about to do some shopping. I'm going to go ahead and do some hygiene shopping because I'm running low on some stuff. I need to get some stuff for the girls, my husband, and myself. And I also want to get some stuff for the house, so like some laundry detergent, so some household cleaning essentials. So I'm gonna get like some Tilex. If you don't have any Tilex in your home, what are you doing? You need some Tilex because that cuts every single grease in the house. Your shower would be spotless, your toilet would be spotless, everything would be spotless. I'm gonna go ahead get some tissues, and I'm gonna get 2 different types of tissues because with my girls, they waste tissues a lot in this house, and they use the half bath downstairs more than they use the ones upstairs. So I'm gonna go ahead buy a different tissue to put downstairs than what I use upstairs. I'm also gonna go ahead and get laundry detergent because I'm running low. I need to get some of those. I'm gonna go ahead get those. And what else? Yeah, and also Target has some deals going on. Ibotta, there are some deals on Ibotta with Cetaphil, and I'm gonna go ahead and get some Cetaphil face wash and moisturizing lotion. I need those, so yeah, let's go. Who you just up there? Buy 2, get 1 free. You can never miss a deal. This is a bag, 2, get 1 free.
How about it? What do you think? Where's it? What the upstairs? So I downstairs different from upstairs.
Aubrey, you have to pay for it, but you have to wait.
Aubrey, don't pay for your I can't put it now.
Aubrey.
I don't try that fancy logo. Yeah?
Hey guys, welcome back. So we just got back and I'm going to show you everything that I got from Target, and this is like my little all of my hygiene essentials. So the first thing I got is this Dial bar soap, and this comes in a pack of 12, and this is the gold bar soap. This is the antibacterial soap, and if you know, you know. Definitely a must have. The next thing I got is this Dove soap, and it has 8 bars. This is the cool moisture one, and this is the cucumber one. If you know, you know. I went ahead and got me a set of 2. So this is the pack of 2 Complete Care Arm & Hammer toothpaste, and if you know, you know. Pair it with this, and trust me, chef's kiss. I got this conditioner. This is from Tresemme, and this is the Flawless Curls. So this is good for all my curly girlies. Yeah, curls for the girls. So I got this. So I went ahead and got these Grim Floss. These are the smooth gentle floss tape, and this is the minty. This is a pack of 150. So this is a must-have. This is the Shea Moisture 24-hour body lotion, and this is the vanilla cashmere. So this is the Shea Better. This is from EOS, and if you know, you know. This is, I think this is the best scent of them all. Smells so good. I went ahead and picked up this Jergens. This is the Ultra Healing, and this is also good. Jergens is a must-have. This is an essential in our house. This is what my husband uses, Jergens. I went ahead and got me a 2-pack Suave, and this is the powder. I always get the powder scent because it smells so good. I also went ahead and picked up a Lumi whole body deodorant, and if you know, you know, you definitely need this. And I picked up the invisible cream, and this is a soft powder. Smells so good. So for all my girlies who sweat in all those places, you definitely need one of these. I went ahead and got a mouthwash for the girls, and this is the Act Bubblegum Blowout. This is the flavor, the bubblegum flavor, and trust me, this one tastes really good. So this one is for the girls, and it says kids. I went ahead and I picked up some Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, and this is for just to use on the face. So I'm going to use this. Adriana is going to use this. And I also went ahead and picked up the lotion to go with it. So this is the moisturizing lotion. So these two together for the facial care. I went ahead and I picked up a mini one. This is still like for travel, so I can bring it with me. So this is the mini moisturizing lotion. And I got two hair dyes from Dark and Lovely, and this is the Fade Resist. This is a jet black color. So I went ahead and got two because my birthday is right around the corner and I need to get my jet black wig. Yeah. So I'm going to dye my wig jet black because I don't know, for some reason I love a black wig. So I'm going to go ahead and dye my wig jet black. The next thing I got is this Jamaican mango and lime castor oil, black castor oil, and this is good for your hair overall. So it's good for hair growth, strengthening, and all that. I went ahead and picked up a wax. So this is a edge wax. So I use this whenever I'm braiding Adriana's hair, and I ran out, so I went ahead and I picked the next one up. Now it's time for me to show you all the household stuff that I got. So all the cleaning products. So cleaning products plus household essentials. So I went ahead and I got 2 sets of tissue. So I went ahead and I got this one. So I got this tissue specifically to use in the bathroom downstairs. And then I got this tissue, so I got 2 sets of tissues. I got some carpet deodorizer. So this is some odor eliminator because I have carpet, my area rug, so I need to clean that. And this is gonna make your house smell so good. And this scent is, which flavor is this one? All I know, it smells so good. And this is the one, the green one. I went ahead and I picked up 2 Clorox Tilex. So this is the mold and mildew, and if you know, you know, this is gonna cut all the grease in your bathtub, your face basin, your toilet, everywhere. I use it to clean everything and it gets the job done. I got 2 Glade plugins, and trust me, these were free because I had some cash back and Ibotta. And then I went ahead and I picked up some Glade. So these are the scents to go with the plugins. I went ahead and I got me some coconut water. So to keep your eye clean, drink some coconut water. And this is it, guys. So here you go, guys. This is it. Thank you so much for watching. This is all my hygiene essentials that I picked up today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.